Hey everybody, my name is Lowell and welcome to the channel. So we've just come from a video about learning about the science of jet dragsters. So we're going to look at 7 incredible jet engine cars and jet trucks. Okay. Look at this. I'm loving this already. You can already see the jet engine. Okay. Oh, holy. Oh, okay. Oh, I know the video doesn't do it justice, but how loud is that? Obviously, it sounds like a jet engine, obviously. If you've ever seen jet drags, let me know. Let me know how loud that is. Damn. Holy moly. £5,000 of thrust. Oh. God, you hear him winding up. $19,726 mechanical horsepower. Holy crap. Jeez. It must be loud. You see people in the crowd holding their ears. Okay. I know obviously we've seen some dragsters that do 3 seconds and whatever else, crazy amount. Obviously the shape must dictate, you know, obviously air dynamics and whatever else. But damn, 10 seconds, that's still pretty quick for a bus, surely. Damn. Woo. 9.5 seconds, okay. Okay. 18,000. Home built though. Okay. Dang. It's like something you'd see out of GTA 5. It's like, yeah, of course we made a jet-powered car. It's like, damn. Dang. How much is it to build a jet car? Everything he taught himself. Wow. Okay. That's crazy. That is crazy. I wonder how it goes in the track. Ooh. $400 miles, okay. 14,000 pounds of thrust. Damn. And of course it set the grass on fire. Oh. World's fastest freight liner. Oh my God. Got a train horn as well. Holy moly. Oh my God, the blowback. Everybody's hats are coming off. Damn. "30 feet long." Not even doors. That's crazy. Ooh. 250,000. Oh, I thought it was gonna go. Holy moly. Shockwave. Damn. Oh. An actual jet. 36,000. Holy moly. Stay clear of this end. Yep. Oh! Holy. Oh my God, look at it. I'm surprised he's allowed to do that at the airport because of visibility and stuff. Maybe they're cordoned off and whatever else. Okay. God, you can only just see the flames. Holy moly. Are we going to get a run? Oh, oh my God, that looks amazing. Racing down the track with the flames coming out. Oh my God. Holy. Bone shaker. Okay. I can just imagine the stress that all that horsepower is putting on every component in that car. You know, dang. Okay. Okay. £36,000. Holy whoop. Dang. Oh. Dang. They put on a combi van. Holy moly. Okay. Oklahoma Willy. Holy. $119 miles an hour. Miles per year. Dang. Definitely not the quickest drag car, but man, it looks good. It's just as big as the bloody van. Holy moly. $8.3 gallons of jet fuel per minute. Yikes. That's a lot of fuel. That's a lot of fuel. Oof. Dang, okay. That's crazy. Oh, I tell you what, some of those look fantastic. Some of them you just think, good God. That one that was racing down the track with the flames coming out of it, man. It might not be the quickest. They're not the quickest drag cars that we've seen, hitting 3 seconds and whatever else. But, man, they look fantastic. They look fantastic. And that noise, that constant winding up of that jet, just noise and smoke and flames. And it's just like, dang, okay. They're pretty impressive. They're pretty impressive. So kind of what I was thinking, strapping a jet engine to a car, calling it a jet car, throwing it down a dragway. But there's a lot more that goes into it than just that. So, but I can't believe that guy just made his homemade one. No engineering expertise or anything. It's just like, okay. I'm hoping he got it all checked over before he races it. But that was pretty good. I like that. There's a lot more to drag racing than I initially thought. So let me know if you enjoyed it, guys. Thank you very much for joining us today. Make sure you stay safe, and I will definitely see you in the next reaction video. Oh, you're still here? You want more content? Why don't you check out my Patreon down here? You'll get plenty more content and some exclusive videos over there too. If not, why not check out this one over here?